G-Way. I bet you ain't never met a nigga cut like me, yeah. We be them niggas, we ain't worried about nobody. I'm with my niggas, I want you to try to stop me. I'm a real gangster, got them hitters right beside me. Ran up that money, bitch, now I can say we poppin'.
Good morning, America. But, good morning. Good morning. Man, let me tell y'all something. That's probably the best. I slept in a minute. Set y'all down right quick. Hey, don't worry about the pink blanket, alright? Y'all probably didn't even know it was a blanket, but I just told him myself. Don't worry about the pink blanket, alright? Just don't do that. But, man, when I tell you I got sleep last night, that's probably the earliest I slept in a minute. It still feel like yesterday, for real. It don't even feel like morning. Man, I slept good. But, about to go to this little parade thingy. I bought the shirt and I'm not about to waste money. No, see? Almost good. Y'all hold up. Y'all just hold up. Couple more seconds. Couple more seconds.
Yeah. There we go. Keep waiting. Go there. We're almost there. Almost there. You ready?
Tight. Hold on tight. Oh. There we go. I'm back in action. But, hold on. Back in action.
And selected to perform the ceremonies of this type. We would like for you to notice our national, state, and territorial flags. As these flags pass in review, please stand and render the appropriate courtesies for our national flag. Once the flags have passed...
She made it. Congrats.
You got on a white shirt.
You ain't got no makeup on
Yes,
me?
I do. Oh.
Tripping.
It's been a long 2 months, people. Okay, so unless we can find a ride, we're going to have to walk like a mile back.
Where?
Back to the dorm so
Come
we can show
on.
you. You can
One,
put it
two
in your,
step.
you
Left,
can put it in
right,
your
left.
vlog.
Left, right, left.
You don't, have you seen Coleman? No, I haven't.
Come on, left, right,
You can
left.
show them my dorm.
Left, right, left. Come on. All right, look, y'all. I'm going to keep it the whole stat with y'all. Damn. Hold on. I'm going to keep it a whole stat with y'all, bro. All right, look. I'm disappointed in myself. Alright, but I'm disappointed in myself, alright? So, I didn't put the camera on like I was supposed to. I did. Actually, I did. But I didn't pull it out everywhere I went. Tomorrow, though, I ain't gonna promise. But I'm gonna promise that I'm gonna pull this camera out and I'm gonna show y'all everywhere I go. So I'm in Texas, right? I don't know what it's called, but I just know it's called Towers. Something Tower, but I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put it up on there. I'm gonna put it on the food that I go get. You feel me? If you're still watching this vlog, thank you very much, because the complications of this video is very, very serious right now, because, you feel me, I just keep forgetting. Sometimes battery be low and all that. But, yeah, I'm going to try to get that tomorrow. I'm pretty sure I will. I'm going to even set a reminder. Pull the camera out. That's what I was going to say. Pull the camera out, boy. But, yeah, I'm going to do that. Keep watching. I picked it up. There goes the frame.
How do we get on the boat?
I don't know. But guys, we're at the San Antonio River Walk. I guess it's something very popular. I'm trying to get on the boat. On a boat. On a boat. I think we just swim across. I don't know, there's something over there.
Yes, come on.
Go up the steps. Down.
What?
Why are you running that wall?
No, we missed. Damn it.
Yo, y'all gonna pull over?
The smaller footbridge past the boat over there? Yeah, past.
Well, and actually we've got quite a bit of space here. They say if they wanted to in La Villita, with the Artisan Theater, we could fit 800 people in here. So the Artisan was added on in 1936 as a beautification project. If you like a little bit of movie. So one scene where they ask, what is your perfect date?
You want to say something to the people?
I'm hungry. My makeup looks good.
So the last clip was the river walk. I'm about to put my editing skills to the test.
Okay. We're at Shiloh's, people.
Don't okay me.
This is the oldest restaurant in San Antonio. And it's German. And if y'all didn't know, Diddy is German.
Like I was saying.
Boy.
You're what? Like I was saying, I might put my editing skills to the test, and the last clip was the river walk. And now we at, what is this? I don't want to pronounce it wrong.
Shiloh.
Shiloh's scoliosis. What should I get, bro? French toast. French toast. Beer. Let me get a bottle of beer. Yeah, the river walk was cool. It's right there.
No, but I want to order for
You already know what you're getting?
Ma'am? I'm ready.
You haven't been helped?
No.
Okay. Give me 1 second and now I'll come up here, okay?
A little schnitzel. Look like they're looking at.
You getting
Yeah,
snacks?
I'm gonna take care of
Nah, I'm getting it.
All right, thank you.
you. Talk to me. What are you having to drink?
I'm gonna do a sweet tea.
Okay, baby, with lemon.
Yes, please.
And you, friend?
Can I get a water?
A water? You want lemon?
No. Yes.
So make it a line.
I'm gonna do the chicken and dumpling.
Got it. Real good. Give me 2 sides.
And, two sides.
Right here, baby girl.
What is German potato salad?
Put your order in and I'm gonna get your drinks,
How
okay?
did you just remember all that?
I've been too long, dude. I've made a lot of bad choices when I was young. Now I know what I do.
What you did?
I bet you a bunch of shit gonna be wrong. It's all gonna be.
I put money. It's not. How much was bet?
Too bad, $1. She took our order with no pen, no paper, no nothing. Talking about us in here. I'm gonna be missing everything. Yes, huh?
I got trust in her. Faith.
You didn't even know what I ordered.
You got. Dang. I don't know what you got.
Chicken and
Yeah, I
dumplings,
heard-
mashed potato
all right,
fries.
chill. I
Oh
heard-
my god, I got mashed potatoes and fries. What
I
the
heard
fuck?
potato salad. You got that?
No. Damn, that was so stupid. I got mashed potatoes and french fries. I always do that. That's the same shit.
Is you going to the bathroom?
Yes. I got chicken and dumplings and pancakes. Nobody judge your order.
So we're going to the towers next?
We're going to the museum next, in the towers.
Oh, well, I
Then we're
forgot
going to get our
about that.
Whataburger to go. We'll eat at the hotel.
I'm playing the whole day today, so everything will be on track. I'm in Texas, man.
We're going to the ice cream place.
Like he say, boy, I'm about to get on your ass. I don't know, what's this called again?
Ripley's, believe it or not. Oh my gosh. Is that y'all? Shemaya's gonna die.
Bruh, you said this supposed to be scary?
Not this part. This is the wax museum that we're in. Take my picture with Michael first.
Yo, he was like really looking like he looking though.
You want me to take a picture of you?
Yeah.
I took it on my phone and still want to vlog. And are you okay? Are you? Oh, that's another Michael Jackson. Come on, take me a picture with Beyonce. Somebody stinks.
Nah, because the blue light was coming. I tried to catch you. Hold on, can I battle Michael Jackson? Hold this.
Who's bad?
Who that? Will Smith? Who this? I feel like these niggas about to move for real, for real. Marilyn Monroe. Looking all good.
That's a winner right there.
I can't see.
That's like 8,000 hits on Instagram.
Are you taking the pictures here? Take a picture. I can't see.
You moved. Now you're dead.
You got it?
Yeah, she got it.
All right.
It's like I can't say.
That was good, man.
Thank you.
You are crazy.
You might as well go ahead. You might as well go ahead. Go ahead, talk to the people.
I don't know what I didn't play.
Freezing up.
I didn't
We
play.
already got bombed and
I didn't
everything.
play out my first speech yet.
Oh, yes.
We already got bombed and everything.
I just look the part. Now I should be serious.
Wait, hold on.
Picture over there. You got it?
Yeah, hold on. See if you like those. My man, Barack. Let's
Where
go.
do you see Barack Obama at?
Right
Oh,
there.
sugar.
You said, oh, sugar. Yeah.
I don't even look like him, bro.
Boy, if you don't come back, what's wrong with you? That nigga tired. Nigga tired. Oh! I don't think I can show that. That look like you. That look like you. Show twin. Oh, she let her hair down. Dang. Huh?
I don't remember any of these stories.
Me neither, for real, for real.
That's Jesus' Last Supper.
I don't think I can put that on.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know how to.
Oh, shit! They thought the name went out.
You are the worst.
You about to swing something.
What is his name again?
Jason.
What was his name? What was his name?
Michael Myers. Come on.
I can't.
Yo, come on, chill out, man. Oh, the mates were good. Take a picture. I know something will pop up over here. You got something to do with clowns. Not scary at all, it's always a scary one. We gotta go through here.
We have to go through that?
Yeah.
Scary, not
Oh, these bodies.
What is this?
Some bodies.
Okay.
T-shirt. Oh, Lord, yeah.
Yeah, Ripley's Believe It or Not. And no, I ain't saying Believe It or Not because, you know. What's in there?
Come on.
I'm not walking in. I got bad knees. I'm not going in there. I got bad knees. Oh, me earlier, bro. Same struggles. It's all good, bro. That's what comes with it, man. An upgrade. That's a what? 4? 5? Oh. I'm taking pictures for real. Little girl. What are you doing? Bro, I'm not getting it. Oh, he that tall for real.
Ezra, look at me.
Baby, you would love this.
Huh?
You love this.
No.
She look like Big Mama in the face.
Yeah, what your name is, though? Ew, girl. She ain't got no elbow. Little pimp pimp.
Hold up. Wait a minute. It's a 22. Pew, pew, pew.
You want to smell that sauce?
You smell it?
Nah. It's like, nah, yeah, dude. It's pink.
You did not smell
I
that.
know. What is that?
Black, red, yellow, green, purple, black.
Green, red, purple. Oh, I keep forgetting the instructions. Oh, anybody gonna help? Man, trying to make a couple bills.
Human black.
Oh, I thought he was trying to make a couple bucks. Straight through it. Straight through it. Oh, boy. Come on. Bro, it's not that bad. Come on.
I really feel slow.
It's a battle? Y'all really getting loose? Huh? Bro, I don't know what you're doing here. Come on, we out. We just walked down so many steps just to walk back down. But I'm finna be up there. Meet y'all at the top. That's where I belong. Excuse me. Hey, if he throw a bat, if he throw a bat, I'm catching it. I'm catching it. Don't do that. I might take it. Look, it's coming right to you. Oh, woo!
How you doing?
I'll meet y'all at the top.